When it comes to selling on Amazon, keywords are everything. They determine how customers find your product, whether your listing ranks well, and ultimately how many sales you make. But there's one problem. Keyword research can leave you with a massive list of words, some of which are useful while others are just clutter. Frankenstein is designed to take your long, messy keyword list and turn them into something clean, organized, and actually useful. So in this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to use Helium 10's Frankenstein to clean up and optimize your keyword list for better product rankings, more traffic, and ultimately higher sales. Why cleaning up your keywords is so important. Before we dive into Frankenstein, let's take a step back and talk about why this even matters. When you're creating an Amazon listing, the words that you use in your title, bullet points, and description directly impact how well your product ranks in Amazon's search results. But if your keywords are messy, repetitive, or irrelevant, it can actually hurt your rankings rather than help them. For example, let's say you're selling a stainless steel water bottle. You might end up with a keyword list that includes terms like stainless steel water bottle, stainless steel, reusable stainless bottle stainless steel leak proof, water bottle, BPA stainless steel. As you can see, a lot of these words are repeating in different combinations. If you were to just copy and paste all of these into your listing, you'd be wasting valuable space and possibly making your listing harder to read. That's where Frankenstein comes in. It helps you remove duplicates, strip out unnecessary words, and organize your list in a way that maximizes your ability to rank without cluttering your list. Step 1, importing your keyword list into Frankenstein. Now, the first step to using Frankenstein is getting your keywords ready. If you're using Helium 10, you've probably pulled your keywords from tools like Magnet or Cerebro. These tools help you find the best performing keywords based on search volume and competition. Now, once you have your keyword list, go ahead and copy and paste it into Frankenstein. You can also directly export keyword lists from Magnet or Cerebro into Frankenstein to save time. After pasting in your keywords, you'll probably notice a lot of repetition. This is totally normal. Frankenstein is built to fix this. So I have Frankenstein opened up here in Helium 10, and I also have a list of keywords I'll go ahead and paste in here. So now that we've got our keywords paste in here, I went ahead and pasted in some keywords here for iPhone cases, something that you could be selling on Amazon. So we'll go ahead and move on to step 2. Step 2, removing duplicate keywords. So one of Frankenstein's most powerful features is the ability to remove duplicate keywords with just one click. When you enable this option, it'll automatically eliminate repeated words so that each keyword appears only once. For example, if your list contains water bottle, stainless steel, water bottle, stainless steel, Frankenstein will clean this up so that water bottle and stainless steel only appear once in the final output. This is important because Amazon doesn't need you to repeat the same words over and over to rank for them. Instead, you want to include a variety of relevant keywords to maximize your reach. So now that I have them pasted in here, we want to make sure that we have remove duplicates selected here. And there's also some other options here as well. You could also remove common words, remove single letters. If there were any typos or anything in there like that, that would be very helpful. So we'll go ahead and click process. And here we go. So previously we had 1,300 characters, 220 total words. Now we have 630 total characters and 88 words. So that cut it in about half, which is going to save you a lot of real estate and prevent that duplicate keywords in your Amazon listing. Step 3, splitting phrases into individual words. By default, many keyword lists come as full phrases, but sometimes it's helpful to break these phrases down into individual words so you can mix and match them more effectively in your listing. Frankenstein has an option called one word per line. When you enable this, it separates every word from your keyword list and places each on its own line. For example, stainless steel water bottle, BPA free, would turn into stainless steel, water, bottle, and BPA free. This is especially useful when you're working on back-end search terms, where you want to include as many individual keywords as possible without repeating full phrases. So if we come back here and we go ahead and select this box instead of add only spaces, you can see that it turned everything over here into on its own line. Step 4, removing unnecessary words. So not every word in your keyword list is useful. Some are just filler words that don't add any value to your ranking. Frankenstein lets you automatically remove common words like the, and, with, for, and of. These words don't help your product rank, so it's best to remove them and make room for more valuable keywords. You can also manually remove any words that aren't relevant to your product. For example, if you're selling a stainless steel water bottle and your keyword list includes plastic, you might want to delete that word since it doesn't apply to your product. For example, I can see over here I've got the word SE for iPhone SE, and that may or may not be relevant for this listing. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and delete it just for this example. Step 5, sorting and organizing your keywords. Now, once you've cleaned up your keyword list, it's time to organize it. Frankenstein gives you several sorting options. Alphabetically. This makes it easy to scan your list for any remaining duplicates or irrelevant words like the one we just found. By length. This helps if you want to prioritize short tail or long tail keywords. By frequency. This shows you which words appear most often in your keyword research, which can help you determine which ones are most important. Sorting by frequency is especially helpful because it highlights the words that Amazon shoppers are searching for the most. Step 6, exporting your keywords to Scribbles. After processing your keywords with Frankenstein, you'll need to transfer them to your Amazon listing. Helium 10 has another tool called Scribbles, which helps you place your keywords into your title, bullet points, and description in a way that maximizes your chances of ranking. You can export your cleaned up keyword list from Frankenstein straight to Scribbles with one click. Once in Scribbles, you can start structuring your listing and making sure you include all the important keywords in the right place. So to do that, you just go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom here and click on Scribbles. This will open up a new window here, and this is where you can go ahead and process using the Scribbles tool. Pricing breakdown for Helium 10. Helium 10's Frankenstein is available across different pricing tiers depending on your needs and how deep you want to go with your Amazon keyword strategy. So Helium 10 has their starter plan, which is $29 per month when billed annually, and you get limited access to Frankenstein and other keyword tools. It's great for beginners looking to get started with keyword research. Next is the Platinum plan at $79 per month when billed annually, and this is the most popular Helium 10 plan. You get full access to Frankenstein and Scribbles for optimized keyword processing. It includes AI-powered ad management and deeper keyword insights. It's ideal for growing businesses looking to increase rankings and sales. And lastly, there's the Diamond plan at $229 per month billed annually. This gets you advanced keyword tracking and market analysis. You get full, unrestricted access to Frankenstein and other Helium 10 tools. It's best for experienced sellers scaling their Amazon business. Frankenstein is fully unlocked with the Platinum and Diamond plans. So if you're serious about ranking higher and driving more sales, Platinum is the sweet spot for most sellers. You can also try Helium 10 with a free account to explore Frankenstein and see how it works before upgrading. Now, if you do want to get started, go ahead and check out the links down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. And you can go ahead and get 20% off your first 6 months by signing up for Helium Platinum today. All you need to do is click the link down below, click on Claim Coupon, and enter code EcomMastery20 at checkout. We have another coupon here where you can get 10% off every month for life. Just sign up for Helium 10 Platinum today. Use code EcomMastery10. Again, use the link down in the description to get these coupons. So keyword research is one of the most important parts of selling on Amazon. But having the right keywords isn't just enough. You need to organize and optimize them properly. That's exactly what Helium 10's Frankenstein helps you do. By removing duplicates, filtering out unnecessary words, and organizing your list, Frankenstein makes sure that you're getting the most out of your keyword strategy without wasting time on manual sorting. If you're serious about ranking higher on Amazon, getting more traffic, and making more sales, this tool is a game changer. So, are you ready to take your keyword strategy to the next level? If so, let me know down in the comments, and if you've used Frankenstein before, or if you have any questions about how to use it effectively. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips. And if you do want to get started with Helium 10, don't forget we got a link for you down in the description to go ahead and get started. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And again, don't forget to subscribe because here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.